Hello, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. A is for Apple. In this series, we will learn how to write cursive just a few letters a day. In today's video, number 4 of this series, we will practice how to script lowercase letters J, K, and L. So please meet me at my writing desk. So let's get right into our warm-up. And today's warm-up, we're going to call the half moon. So it's just a line that goes down from the red dotted line to the blue line. And these strokes are so important because they either start a lot of our cursive letters or they finish a lot of our letters. And again, remember to try to space each of them evenly. Getting our hands ready to do some cursive writing. Let's do one more row from top to bottom. Don't worry if they're not all perfect. Remember, we have permission to rest perfection aside. Just do your best. Now we're going to try them the opposite way. Still starting. Well, this time we start from the red dotted line and we come downward to the blue line. Spacing evenly apart. Good job. Remember to take your time. Make it a nice curve. Not a straight line, but a curve. And let's try one more line. Make it a nice curve. No straight lines here. Space evenly apart. Two more. Wonderful. So our first letter is J. And let me explain it a little bit. See, J starts with that leader line we just practiced in our warm-up, and then we bring it down below the blue line, our loop, and then we go all the way up. If you notice right here, looks like our second line that we just practiced, and then we dot our J. Let's try a few together now. Our leader line, our loop, and bring it home. One more. Nice. Let's try another line. I love J's. These are cute too. Perfect. One more. Nice. Let's finish up this row because these are fun. Take your time. You don't have to go as fast as I am. Yes. One more. Make it good. Make it the best one. And dot that J. So our next letter is lowercase k. And this is another fancy letter. You're going to enjoy writing this one. Watch me first. That nice long leader line. Then we create our loop, connect our loop at the red dotted line, and come straight down, right? Then we come up to the red dotted line, in, and bring it home. Let's try that again slowly. All the way up, connect, come down, nice. Let's try another row. All the way up, loop. Let's try not to stop this time. Great job. Keep going, keep going. Great. Nice. Let's do one more row. And this is the last one. Let's make it good. Perfect. So our final letter is lowercase l. And again, it starts with our long leader line, a loop. We know to connect that loop somewhere around the dotted red line and bring it home. Let's try a few of those now. Connect and bring it home. And one more. Good. Let's continue. Remember to take your time. Nice job. Don't quit on me now. Let's keep going. Great. And last line. Two more. Make them good. Nice. So let's get into the fun part where we get to construct the words using the letters we've learned so far. Our first word today is lead, L-E-A-D. Our long leader line. And remember that little space that we leave for our D. Let's try it again. Nice. And one more time. Good job. Our next word is hike. Another long leader line. We're gonna get into that K we learned today. Nice. Let's try hike a couple more times. All right, that K. Love it. And don't forget to dot that I. Once more. Take your time. I'm right here with you. Make it good. Finish strong. Good job. So the last word that we will practice today is jade. Jade, and let's try it now. Let's start with our leader line. And finish off with that E. Nice. Don't forget to dot our J. Let's try it again. Good job. Last time, start with our leader line, make our loop, yes. And let's practice one last word, high, H-I-G-H. Yes. 2 more times. Last time. Excellent. You did a super job today, so let's celebrate. Now, don't forget our 3 P's that we discussed in our foundational video: posture, practice, and patience. And remember that any progress is good progress. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing, commenting, and giving the old thumbs up. Keep at it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.